In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add buttons to your Canva website. I'm going to show you two different ways. So the first way, you can just go ahead and add a simple text box. So we will add a heading here. So I'll just call this heading button. So we'll go ahead and change it to button. Now, obviously you can select all of your text. You can then change the font and the sizing and also the color. Now, the easiest way to make it a button, in my opinion, is to go to effects here once you've got your text selected. Then you can go ahead and change it to background. And if you change it to background, you can alter here the roundness of the button, also the spread of the button, and it essentially creates a nice round button. And the good thing about this is you can move it with your text. And now all you would do is you would link it to wherever it needs to be linked to. So you've got your button, you can now click on it, you can go more, and you can go link. Now you can link it either to a specific page on the website, or if you wanted to link to an external website, you can just type in the URL, click enter, and then click done. Okay, so once you've done that, it should then add the link. The secondary way to do it is to go to elements and then go search shape. And then here you get all of the shapes on Canva. And then what you can do, if you want like a funny styled button, you can essentially drag on that shape. Then you can write your text here inside of the shape, button, and then you would obviously select all of the text and change the font and also the font size, make this bold. And then here is your other button, which you can change the color of. And you can also go more, link, and you can add any relevant links to this button as well. So those are two ways. I hope that quick video did help you out.